The three attributes that I'm looking for in a wireless network are reliability, security and a cost-effective implementation. The Trapeze network that we have is reliable, it doesn't break, it keeps working. It's been a cost-effective implementation. The deployment services and the post-deployment maintenance is very cost-effective, and it delivers us a secure environment because the data that we work with is sensitive data. It's about patients, it's about their treatment and about their diseases, so it needs to be secure, and our wireless network is reliable, it's secure, and it gives us a cost-effective method of delivering that data to the people that need access it.
Hartford Hospital's mission is to provide clinical access and the home feeling to the users and different customers that come in there, whether it be family members or different clientele. And having access to the guest or visitor network in wireless is key in our lobbies, our patient rooms, visitor rooms, and different organizations throughout the hospital. Most three attributes of our wireless LAN, I would say, is the coverage it offers for our users, whether it's our clinical network, our business users, and our development. We do a lot of software development on it and applications. Access to it, the nurses in the hospital love it, to the fact because they can get into it with clinical users. They got applications. We can jump on it. They love it because of the fact that they have access to all the applications are mobile. The mobility of it is key, and it seems to scale well. It works in our clinical environments, it works in our radiology departments, it's good for the business users and the visitors. Another thing that really hits home is the visitor access. One of the key factors in going with Trapeze all along was we've had different wireless vendors in there in the ceilings over the years, so whether it's been Nortel, whether it's been Symbo, whether it's been Cisco on Aeronet, and the reliability of Trapeze has been outstanding. The reliability we tie into our backbone, our Nortel infrastructure, is it's been worked out really well. The support we get from Trapeze, whether we run into minor issues with clients or different applications, the support's always there. So the reliability itself is very important. The scalability of the wireless network is another key thing that we depend on.
The three top priority attributes for a wireless LAN are dynamism, flexibility and ease of management.
Is that a common term, or is that, will people understand what you're talking about if you say I need medical grade wireless or medical grade mobility?
It's a nice term for me because it doesn't infer any kind of shroud waving or inference that it's more important than it is, but it also infers a level of delivery that's suitable as you would expect if you're a patient in hospital. Nothing can give you 100%, but you want to know that you've tried your level best to provide the best level of cover that you can. And I think it's about that. Yeah.
Tell me, what are the three most important attributes of your wireless network?
Okay, from our point of view and going in priority order, the first one would be reliability or resilience, because being a medical network, it has to be available, it has to be up there. Downtime is something we have to avoid. Secondly is value for money in terms of what it offers us in return for the investment that we put into it. And finally, it would be scalability, both in terms of adding to our estate, but also in terms of adding the applications and the functionality that we can work off our wireless network. So that would be the three in order.
What are the top three attributes that you value most in your wireless LAN technology?
Probably the fact that I needed full integration. I need it to be as robust as my wired network and to provide complete interoperability with all the different client devices. My wireless LAN technology rocks. My wireless LAN technology rocks.